Guys, welcome to the last day of 2025. Let me turn on the radio. Welcome. Like, oh my god, December 31st, we are here and I'm feeling so blessed. I hope you are feeling blessed too. You know, this morning when I was on TikTok, I saw, somebody that I followed. She lost somebody close to her today, the 31st, literally the last day of the month. It's either today or yesterday. And I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. It's sad. This is really sad. Like, we just have to give God thanks, and we definitely really have to live our lives the way how we want it to. We have to enjoy life, because we all know we don't know when it's gonna be our last day on earth. We don't know. Nobody knows. Only the Lord knows. Only God knows this. So yeah, it was just sad, and that's why I'm always gonna live my life. I'm going to always have fun. I'm going to work hard so I can do the things that I want to do, and hanging out, vibing, do things that I want to do, going out with friends, traveling. Like, those are one of the things that I love to do. So definitely gonna do the work to continue to live the lifestyle that I want. It's really sad. Anyways, I didn't want to start off this vlog like meh, but it's reality. It's reality. So it was truly sad. But I am grateful. I'm grateful that my family, my friends, like, I think everybody that I know of are still here with us for this last day. And the day isn't over. It is 4:22. I know a lot of things can happen in a split second. So yeah, I'm just praying for all safety for everybody tonight. Anybody who's doing whatever, y'all just be safe. Y'all gonna see this vlog obviously after the fact, but I hope you guys had a great new year. With me, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have two games thing to go to, or I have two options to go to a games or I go to church. I'm really still figuring what I really want to do. I'm leaning more towards church, but then again, I think because I haven't gone like out in a while. For New Year's Eve, I normally stay in because I always go out January 1 in the night to Frenchman. So New Year's Eve is normally kind of like a chill night. But I really wanted, because I have a friend group, I really wanted all of us to be together in one area. So I'm not sure if that's going to be possible today. If not, we're going to see each other tomorrow at the event. I'm going to an event tomorrow, so that would be like a whole new separate vlog. First vlog of 2026, y'all. I will be at a party. Yeah, I mean, y'all know that. If you're following me up, you watch my channel, y'all know the girl is gonna go out. Okay, that's just me, and that's how I live my life. Yeah, so yeah, I just want to check it. Oh, by the way, I did a big purchase today, guys. My phone was dead, so I didn't even get to video it. I really wanted to video it, but because I wanted this whole day to be the last day, the vlog for the last day of the year, but it didn't work out. But I did a big purchase today. I won't even tell y'all again, because since I didn't get to video it, but y'all will see that in the upcoming vlog when I pick it up. Super excited. I do have some more things to purchase. It's something for the home. Hint. It's something for the home. I did buy something else for my bedroom, and then I need to buy something else for another part of the home on Amazon next week. So the house is coming together, because like I told y'all, I'm not going to be moving. I decided not to move. I'm just going to stay within, extend my lease and just stay there. I mean, why not? Because I've been looking at places, y'all, and the prices are insane. For decent apartments, yeah, I'm going to have to fork up 120 and above, and 150 and so forth, and we're not paying no $150,000 rent. Like, not right now. I'm not gonna do that. And guys, I'm really authentic. I'm real with y'all. I'm not paying $150,000 in right now, unless my income increase. Because let me tell you, I'm a type of person, like, I watch my bills. You see, if my bills surpass certain amount, I want to check my paycheck, no, the money ain't adding up, like I'm not doing it. So for me to move, I'm looking at it like, I mean, when I move, I may have to, I'm gonna pay more than what I'm paying right now. And then I check it out, I'm like, did I earn more money to be paid more money? Like, that's how I figure that. No. So unless I earn more money, my bills are just gonna stay the same. Same bills, same paycheck. More paycheck, then the bills may increase a tiny bit depending. And I'm not gonna say, for example, I'm not gonna like move. Okay, if I heard a certain amount of money more, if I get a 10% increase on my salary, that don't mean, I'm gonna rush to move because I earn 10 more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not like that. Like, the margin has to be gap within bills and money was set out of salary. Like, just because y'all know I like to have fun. I need to go out, I need to eat. The girl loves the solo dates, and the girl likes to take care of herself. So if my traveling and food money is gonna go into it, yeah, count me out. Count me out. Anyways, but yeah, today when I decide what I'm gonna do, I will let y'all know. But for now, we're gonna eat, and we'll catch up back later, and I'll keep you updated. But new year, new beginnings. I'm actually ready. Are you ready for the new year? Have y'all written down y'all goals? I have not written my goals. I haven't yet. I'm actually gonna do that tonight when I get home, or tomorrow. I wonder if I have any time tomorrow. I can eat tomorrow night or tonight. One of them. But comment down below if y'all have written down your 2026 goals or what you want to accomplish for the upcoming year. And also let me know what y'all did tonight, December 31st. What y'all did, please. I want to know. I want to fast. Yeah. So keep me updated and we'll chat later. I took the top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drink in this clean route. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't lost, I go loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. Alright guys, so let's go through the 2 gifts that I got for Christmas. Now let me see, during Christmas time I don't really get a lot of gifts. Most of the times, it's for my partner or whatever. But y'all know the girl is not in a relationship. But I did get 2 gifts, which is perfect. I did get a nice gift. I did pull it already, and I've got it. I mean, Christmas has passed a few days now, so I did pull it. The first gift that I got from someone that I like, Versace, what is this? Bright Crystal. I like the smell. I don't love it, but I like it. I think it's more on the side like of a fruity floral, and I love fruity floral scents. However, I think the dry down on it is just, it's very like calm. It's not strong enough for me, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna try it tomorrow again in the daytime and see how it works with my aroma, with my scent, since it's daytime, because it has a little bit of floral. I do have, I think my Coach my Coach perfume, it's a little bit floral, so I'm thinking to mix them, but I didn't want to mix it. But the other night I did wear this alone, and the scent isn't, it's not like that powerful. But definitely appreciate the gifts. Thank you so much. Well, he doesn't watch my videos, but I don't think he does. Hopefully he doesn't. But yeah, it's a cute gift from somebody that you were dating, so I like it. Let me just try it one more time. And then the next gift, I actually got this gift today from this bag. It's like a bottle of wine, and I love me bottle of wine. I love me some wine. Gifts that you want to give me: money, perfume, and wine. Okay, let me see which one I got. Ooh, okay, I got this cute red, and I love red wine. and this is a classic red wine. So this is perfect. I'm heading to my, so this is all the gifts that I got for Christmas. Now let's talk about the gifts that I gave for Christmas. I have not bought any yet. Like, don't beat me up. I owe my niece. I didn't give my mother anything yet, but they are coming, I promise. January they will be getting their gift. Okay, I just didn't have any time. And then I'm not gonna lie, this Christmas rush was just rushed. The Christmas was rushed. Okay, so didn't have any time to purchase anything. Can smell the floral, lots of fruity scent, but I'm gonna wear it again tonight, and then I'm gonna ask persons, like, if you know, if I have a nice, if they're smelling the perfume. If they ain't, I'm gonna mix it with another floral scent that I have, and then I think that way it would, you know, the scent will be a little bit more strong. But I love perfumes on the garden, regardless. You know, with perfumes you can always mix and match, and you can throw on 2 to 3 scents and have like a great fragrance. So every perfume, if they're not perfect, you know what to do. And the bottle is so cute. Anyways, I am heading now to a games night, and we're gonna ring in the new year at a games night / hangout / chill vibe. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me. I need to stop at KFC to buy a bucket of chicken. I'm gonna bring that to the event, and also a bottle of wine. I may go somewhere else after, I don't know yet, but I don't really want to stay out too late because we're going to a breakfast party by 11 a.m. in the morning, and I don't want to be late. And I have everybody's ticket. I have 5 people tickets, and I cannot be late because I don't want any cursing in my ears for 2026 that carries late. So I'm gonna go do what I need to do, and then we'll chop it up when I reach on the road. What you doing? Where you at? Alright guys, so I'm ready to head out. I changed my dress. I'm just in this black dress. I think this is from Fashion Nova. I've worn this many a times. And this crossbody bag, and then I'm gonna wear a sandals. I need to figure out which one I'm gonna wear. But yeah, simple fitting, because like I said, it's a game night at my family house, so we don't need to do so. And I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere, but if in the event I do stop somewhere else, black dress can never go wrong, right? So yeah, this is a fit. So cheers to the last day of the year. All right, we're gonna go because I'm running, and I'm gonna stop at KFC to get the food. I'm always ready late. Always.
Yeah. Why not?
I gotta see it.
Hey, we need to be over. Yes. Whatever.
I never dropped that pool in
I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go.
We're too far away. Yeah, I was like, come down.
We need to be a little bit lower on one floor though. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not wrong.
Somewhere in
Guys, look at this view. It is so gorgeous. Like, there are so many perks when you live on a hill, y'all. So many. it's officially 2026. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we had a great time tonight. I went to, one of my family's house. So, they live up on the hills, so we were able to like see like multiple fireworks going on at the same time. However, we were a little bit too far up because the phones was just not picking up. The phones was not picking up what we wanted. Okay, it was not. But behind us in the same community, someone was doing fireworks as well. So you also like got 2D tips of it. But yeah, not the greatest fireworks video, but it is what it is. But yeah, it was a great time. We played games, we ate, had food, fun, laugh, and I'm home right now. It is my phone did. I know it's after almost 1 o'clock. Almost 1 o'clock. No, after 1 a.m. right now. Yes, it's after 1. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching my last vlog of 2025, and many blessings for the new year. And I will see you guys in a new vlog starting tomorrow, because we are going to be outside January 1st. And then after that, I have like a couple of days off work. I normally take off a few days off work starting the new year. So I have a few days off. I'm not going to be doing anything, so like I didn't take a week or anything. I think I'm taking Friday the 2nd, Monday, Tuesday. I think I go back Wednesday or Thursday, one of them. But yeah, I'm just gonna, for those days, I'm probably gonna take myself to the beach, because normally, and I was even on Empress Live today, like she wanted to go to the beach today, and I'm like, girl, December 31st I normally go to the beach. Like that was my thing, and I don't know why it didn't happen this year. I should have taken the day today and went to the beach and then whatever. But starting up back 2026, December 31st 2026, y'all, I am taking myself to the beach. It's like a kind of like a reset, relaxing type of vibe before the festivities in the night, So yeah, I don't know why. I can't tell you why anybody did this year. I have no reason, to be honest. But anyways, we're gonna wind down. I'm actually gonna be turning on Stranger Things right now. I'm gonna watch like 1 or 2 episodes. Hopefully I don't watch all of them. I don't want to watch all of them because I have to get up by like 9 to get ready to leave out 11 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna pour me some more water, drink some water, pour me a glass of wine, just a little bit, watch Stranger Things, and then we're gonna head out. And I need to start editing this vlog because it would be nice to have it posted by this weekend. But anyways, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in another video.
You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 times.